Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to all of you in grade 12. Hope that you are enjoying good health. My dear students, first of all, congratulations from the core of my heart that you people promoted from grade 11 to grade 12. Dear students, all of you know very well that in our grade 11 biology course we studied 13 chapters. And the last chapter was immunity. So in grade 12, we are going to start grade 12 biology, which will start from chapter 14. Dear students, you must have the book which is recommended by the Federal Textbook Board, which is National Book Foundation, Biology grade 12. So all of you must have biology book. And inshallah you will enjoy this course in second year biology, which is very interesting and very easy. All of you are advised to carefully watch the videos and find and note down the important points of the lecture and make your own notes, which is very important for you. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, the chapter 14 title is Respiration. My dear students, respiration is a vital process. It's a vital process. It's a vital process. It's the only process through which we can obtain energy, by which life is continued. Without respiration, there is no concept of the life. That's why this is called as a vital process. My dear students, respiration is of two types. External respiration and internal respiration. The external respiration consists of the two very important steps. One is called breathing, which is the exhalation, and inhalation process, meaning the intake of gases, and this is expulsion of gases from the body. And the next is gaseous exchange. The gaseous exchange can be defined as the exchange of gases between organism and environment. The exchange of gases between organism and environment is called gaseous exchange. Now if we look at these two processes, these two processes are mechanical processes, are physical processes. No chemistry is involved here. No catabolism, no anabolism, nothing. No chemical reactions involved. Purely physical and mechanical processes are. These are. And internal respiration. Internal respiration is the catabolism chemical process which occur inside the cell. In cell we have mitochondria, and mitochondria, the cellular respiration take place. This is called cellular respiration. My dear students, you studied the cellular respiration process in chapter 4 in the grade 11, in which one glucose molecule was catabolized into 36 ATP molecules. So it is usually an energy obtaining process which is totally a chemical process in which enzymes are involved and electron transport chain is involved, in which movement of the electron produce gradients through chemoosmosis. Then these gradients help us to produce ATPs, which is an energy kind, which is the currency of energy by which we can obtain energy, and this energy should be in the form of ATP. So it have three main steps in cellular respiration: aerobic, like glycolysis, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. These three are the main steps of the cellular respiration, which is an internal respiration in terms that it occurs inside the cell. So these two, external and internal respiration, are the components of a single process called respiration. Without breathing, there is no concept of gaseous exchange. Without gaseous exchange, there will be no supply of oxygen to the cells. When there will be no oxygen supply to the cells, there will be no cellular respiration aerobically, and we can't take the huge amount of energy which is required to perform different type of activities. By the respiration, we take energy, and life without energy is never ever possible. So my dear students, in this chapter we will discuss the human respiratory system and the system which is performing the process of respiration and its different disorders we will discuss, and we will also discuss the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. So this is a very important and very interesting chapter. Hope that inshallah you will understand the lectures and you will get the concepts. Now let's start the human respiratory system. So dear students, let's start the human respiratory system. The human respiratory system starts from the nose, then pharynx, then larynx, from the larynx, then we have trachea, bronchioles, and bronchi, bronchioles, and the final one we have the lungs. But before starting properly the structure in the human respiratory system, which one by one we will explain their structure and function, first of all, we need to know the properties of the human properties of the respiratory system, and then we will check whether the human respiratory system have all these properties. My dear students, it's a very important short question, properties of human respiratory system. So we will write them and then we will explain one by one. The first property of the human respiratory system is that it must be moist. It must be moist and permeable. First we need to write all the properties, then we will explain them. It must be moist and permeable. Secondly, it must be thin to allow the diffusion process. And the ideal is 1 millimeter thickness. Third, large surface area. For sufficient amount of gaseous exchange, it must be moist and permeable, it must be thin to allow the diffusion, and large surface area. And the final one, fourth one, it must have good ventilation system. Which keep the gases move on. These are the 4 properties which must a respiratory surface have. This is respiratory surface, okay? Not respiratory system, respiratory surface. Any surface which have these 4 properties can be a respiratory surface. In humans, the lungs are thought to be the respiratory surface. So it must be moist and permeable. Permeable means that it can allow the gases to pass through. And why it need to be moist? Because moist surfaces are more efficient than dry surfaces for the exchange of gases. Number 2, it must be thin. What does it mean by thin? It must be thin because if it is thick, then diffusion will not be possible. And why we called it here diffusion, why not osmosis? Because membrane is involved, still we call it diffusion. Yes, because osmosis can be defined that the water molecule pass through semi-permeable membrane, then from high concentration to low concentration is called osmosis. But in the cases of diffusion, in the cases of gases, if membrane is present, still the movement of molecule from high concentration to low concentration is called diffusion, not osmosis. Osmosis is only the water molecule moving from high concentration to low concentration. And third, large surface area for sufficient amount of gaseous exchange. We need a large surface area. And it must have a good ventilation system which keep the gases move on. Let's check the lungs for these 4 properties. The human lungs consist of small sac-like structure which we will discuss inshallah in detail. These sac-like structures are called alveolus, singular. And these alveolus are the sites where usually the gaseous exchange occur, which are the true the respiratory surfaces. The gases comes and these are thin up to 1 millimeter. And about 700 millions of alveoli are present in our lungs. So these are the folded structure. If we open the human lungs, even it is 4 times equal to the 4 times of the human skin. So large surface area it is. So it is folded. That's why they are appeared in small structure, but they have large surface area because these sac-like structures are present, and they are always moist. And the good ventilation system, when the gaseous exchange occur, through inhalation gases comes, through exhalation the gases goes on. So proper ventilation system is present here. So we can say that yes, in human respiratory system, the lungs are the respiratory surfaces and they have these 4 properties. So every surface which have these 4 properties can be called as designated as the respiratory surface. So every respiratory surface must have these 4 properties, and dear students, you need to learn them because it's an ideal short question in exams point of view. Now moving ahead, and let's start the human respiratory system. And in human respiratory system, first we will explain the nose. So let's discuss. So let's start nose. Nose is the first part of the human respiratory system. And it consists of structure, consists of 2 nasal cavities, and the opening of these nasal cavities are called nostrils. The bone which is present in the middle of the two nasal cavities is called ethmoid bone. Ethmoid bone. And usually it consists of the cartilage. The rest of the part is made of cartilage. The nasal cavities are equipped with the following structures. Near the nostril, it has a structure called vestibule. This vestibule have hairs. Along with, they have mucus glands, blood capillaries have, and here also we have the olfactory cells which have the function of olfaction, means the smell. Now let's discuss the structure, the function of this. The hairs are to trap the dust. But why? Mucus glands. The mucus glands secrete mucus. Mucus is a viscous type of fluid which consists of the water and a protein called mucin. And the function of the mucus gland is to wet these hairs, and these wet hairs are the very good traps for solid particles. They are very good for the solid particles. Solid particles usually trap here and get stuck with these hairs because they are wet by the capillary, by the mucus. And then we have the blood capillaries. From the blood capillaries, when the air passes from bed of the blood capillaries, when the air passes, the temperature of the air usually change, and at the temperature, for example, there is 20 degrees centigrade in the external air temperature. When these air pass from this bed of capillaries, then 30 degrees centigrade its temperature. Now its temperature raises up because according to the laws of thermodynamics, the heat will move from hard body to cool body, and here we have the bed of blood capillaries and the blood has 37 degrees centigrade. So from the blood, the hotness or the heat passes to the air and the air temperature changes to 30 degrees centigrade. In summer, we experience sometimes that if there is high temperature, then this high temperature can't be tolerated by these capillaries of blood capillaries, and they rupture and the bleeding usually start. It is due to the high temperature. It is very common in the summer. So the air, when comes out from the nose, it is modified according to temperature. And secondly, it got moist. The function of the mucus is not only to trap the dust particle, but it also moists the air, because moist air is very important. The dry air can cause necrosis in the human respiratory system. So my dear students, it was all about the nose. Now we will move towards the pharynx, but pharynx, we will discuss pharynx and the rest of the structures in our coming lecture. Hope that you got good understanding. Still, if you got any problem, please ask me frankly. My Zoom ID will be shared with you people in official group, and you can come on Zoom online session also, and you can ask any question if you feel any difficulty. Conceptually, you can ask me frankly. Thank you so much. Stay in home, stay blessed. Thank you so much.